Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order on TikTok Shop. So let's say that you have a TikTok shop and you got your first order but you don't know how to fulfill it. This tutorial is going to be orders for you who sells your own product and not for one who actually joining an affiliate program, because with affiliate program, once an order is placed, you don't really need to do anything. All you have to do is just promote the product, and then the seller is going to be the one who takes care of all of the shipping, all of the product fulfillment, etc. Now, if you're the one who have the product and you're selling a product that you own, this is how you can fulfill it. If you don't know where to take a look at your orders, because let's say that when you go to your TikTok page and then let's say you go to the business suite, this is all that you'll be able to see. You'll be able to see the analytics of your video. You can look at the Leads Manager, the promote option, the TikTok for business settings, etc. But you don't really see where you can actually take a look at the order that is being placed. That's because you're not supposed to go to the business suite web page, but you will have to go to the seller centers of TikTok. Over here, you'll be able to see right off the bat the action that is needed. So it says here that I need to ship one thing or one product or one orders because I currently just get an orders. And then on the left side of your screen, you'll be able to see on all of the options that you can settings for your shop. So you can manage your product, you can take a look at your orders, you can take a look at the shipping, you can take a look at your promotion, shop tab, shop ads, shoppable video, finance, etc. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this order options right here and you're going to want to go to manage order. On this manage order page, you'll be able to see on the order that you will need to fulfill. So I currently have one order, and over here I'll be able to see on the order numbers the name of the buyers and then the items that they are buying, the order status, the shipping method, delivery options, and the total of the sales that I got from this order. And if you hover your clickers on top of the order numbers, you can actually go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be able to see on the details of the order. First, we can see the locations of the order, and then the order type and the time on which we're supposed to ship the orders, the created time of the orders, the warehouse of the orders, the auto cancel date. So if you don't do anything about your order, the system is going to auto cancel it by the date stated here, and then the delivery option as well as the warehouse ID. On the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see on the details of what your buyer paid. So here I can see the payment method, I can see the items subtotal after discount if there is a discount, and I can also click on the details if I want, so that I know the discount that my customers get on this orders, as well as the overall totals of the orders. And then if you scroll down below it, you'll be able to see on the customer's information, and they will hide the customer's information. But if you click on the I symbol besides either the name, the phone numbers, or maybe the address, you can take a look at it in case you needed to save it somewhere else. And here I can also see on the package that I will need to ship or to fulfill. So here my customers order the flower beaded accessories, and then below it I'll be able to see the order history of that customers. So I can see when the buyer created the orders and then when it was being paid. And if you click on more actions right here, you can actually add note for your orders. Let's say that some things came up, there are some issues regarding to this order. Maybe you forgot to check your inventory and this order ended up not having anything to ship to because maybe you don't have your product on hand. You can just create a note, like for example, maybe you want to put red on it and then notes no product, and then product will be available in maybe 2 days time. Then you can go ahead and click on OK. And a red flag is going to show besides the number of the orders, and then if you hover your clickers on it, you'll be able to see on the notes that you have created. And let's say that you do encounter a problem like this, all you have to do is click on the button below the arrange shipment buttons, and then you'll be able to see a contact buyer option. So you can contact your buyer and then tell them the issues, and if they're okay with waiting a little bit longer, you can continue to fulfill this order, but if not, you can just cancel it in the meantime. And if you would like to fulfill your order before arranging your shipment, I encourage you to click on print packing list so that you'll be able to get this packing list right here that are going to show you the details of your product. And usually you will want to stick this into the package after you're done wrapping it, or you can just also save this for your own notes. And once you're done with that, you'll want to click on arrange shipment, and then all you have to do is just wait for your courier to take your product. But let's say that you made a mistake and you will want to cancel your order. All you have to do is just click on this button beside print label options and then click on cancel, and then you can choose on what is the cancellation's reasons for your shipping. For example, maybe you got your inventory out of stock, like I said earlier, you can just go ahead and click on out of stock and then click on continue and then confirm. And there you go, you got your order canceled. Once you've canceled an order, you will not be able to redo the shipping progress, and the money that your buyers sent to you are going to be automatically refunded back to them. So before you cancel any order, make sure that you have communicated the issues with your buyers first and then cancels the order. And that's basically it. That is how you can fulfill an order in TikTok Shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.